Hello, third time lucky, Caroline from Bubbly Maths here with today's activity, 5 in a line to this weekend's game. What we're doing is playing 5 in a line. It's quite simple, it's very simple, and for early years it's a great game on so many levels, because one of the things, if you've had this experience that you're showing early years, oh, wrong pen. Oh dear. Will that come off? Well, I'll get rid of that later. Cover that up. I wonder if this will actually get rid of it. Ah, did you? I didn't know that. Did you know that? I've used its own pen to get rid of something I did with a permanent marker. Well, there you go. Right, here we go. So, if you want to draw straight lines, and you have lots of squares, drawing straight lines can be quite interesting. So what is a straight line? This is a straight line. It goes straight, or it can go this way, straight, or it can go this way, straight. And it's okay that it goes across two lines as long as it's straight. You can even use a ruler. You can use a ruler to make straight lines like this. Nice straight lines. Okay, ooh, it gets rid of that. Oh, there we go. Now, so what we're going to do is make straight lines inside this box. And doing straight lines is, well, when you're older and you've had lots of experience, doing straight lines is fairly simple, although I'm not very good at straight lines. Look at all those wobbly lines I've made there. But let's say you wanted to draw a straight line from that corner to that corner. Let's see if we can get it. Well, now, we're going to find out if my squares are actually squares. So you might want to make better squares than me, because mine aren't squares. Mine are all funny, so that straight line's not quite on all the dots. But let's say you made dots. You could do it another way. You can make straight lines with dots. Can you see that? Yes. Over there maybe, get rid of that one. You can make lots of dots, you can make straight lines with dots. So it could be as simple as just making straight lines to connect dots. That on its own can be a really good straight line thing to do, just like that, and like that, and like that. Or you could take it in turns. You could play games together where you can actually do straight lines joining, and then if you close a box, boing, boing, that's your box. And then I think red's had to, hey, look at that, now blue can close that box, boing, boing, that's blue's box. So those are straight lines between boxes. But then what if you want to draw straight lines to join lots of dots together? Get the right colours going here. So we want to get a straight line over there. Whoops, that one's in the wrong place. We want to draw a straight line from there to there. Boing, 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 boing. Straight line. Now that, like that, is not a straight line. You're getting from there to there, but it's not a straight line. And then the other one that we have is drawing straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Drawing straight lines diagonally, like this, right across from one corner straight over to the next one. Or it doesn't even have to be the whole corner, it can just be to there. And they're diagonal lines, and then we've got the ones that go straight across. Whoopsie, we can go straight across all of them. And then we can go, whoops, we can go up and down all of them. We can join them all and make lots and lots of straight lines. You can work out all the straight lines you want to make and just play straight lines. So that is a great activity when you're starting to learn about drawing and getting control of drawing. And then we've got the game itself. Right, we're going to play a slightly smaller version of it. Now, last night we played a game that had lots of other lines in it, but this time we're only going to play with, don't need all of that, completely miscalculated that. We're going to make straight lines just by making dots, like this game up here, but with less dots. Let's see if we can make 3 in a row. Hi Eddie, joining for our early years. But this is a great game, Eddie. Great game for critical thinking and analysis, and yeah, kind of chess type rules, checkers, and it's just much bigger, and it's 5 in a row, not 4 in a row. It's not Connect 4. But this is for early years. So early years, okay, I'm going to go here. That's my one. So who's next? Someone wants, we have to make 3 in a row. Okay, there. And I'm going to do 1 there. And oh my goodness, hold on. We have to block that one and stop this for, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. How could we have stopped that from being 3 in a row? Well, maybe 3 in a row is a little bit too few. Maybe we need to do more than 3 in a row, but we can find that out for ourselves. That's okay. So you can find out. And when you start, if you start playing this, you can see I've managed to win that one. But if you start, can you always win? Is there a place where you start where you can always win? So next, it's your turn to start now. Let's do that again. It's your turn to start. So it's your turn to start. And where are you going to start? You're going to start in the same place I started. Okay. So we've seen that happen. So let's see. It's your turn to start. So you're blue. So you're going to start in the middle like I did. Okay, great. Now I'm going to go, well, I saw you, I made that diagonal, didn't I? So you're going to go here. Right. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I can put 1 here to stop you from making, oh, but wait. Oh my goodness. So play this game and find out find out how to play. See if there's a way that if you start the game, you can always win. Or is that possible? Is that always going to be the case? You can find different ways of playing it. So that's just, we're going to, now we could go to a higher level for if we're slightly older. But actually, once you're slightly older, you can really go from, well, maybe go 4 in a row. Start with 4 in a row. But I think you can go from 3 in a row to 5 in a row. So go from 3 in a row, as we just did, get the learnings from it, and then go for 5 in a row, because there's so much you can do. And it's just a matter of drawing circles on a sheet. You can use square paper. Just draw circles on a big sheet of square paper and see who's going to be first to get 5 in a row. And remember the diagonals. You can also make 5 in a row. This is called a vertical line. You can also make 5 in a row on a horizontal line. And you've got the one going that way. We can have also a diagonal going the other way. There's 2 ways. So you can do all those different options and see if you can play that. Hi! You know what I'm doing, don't you? You know what I'm thinking about, don't you? Pam! Hello, Pam. Got it. Give my love to Ben. And this might be a great game for Ben. Did you see the one we just did? I'm just going to repeat this just for Pam now. We did, I do not know where Ben is at with this. So it could be 5 in a row, or this game here might be more suitable for Ben. I hope you're following us on all these groups. There's some great games that we've been playing that hopefully Ben would love to engage in. So, what did we do? Was it 5? Was it 4? This looks different to what I had before. I'm going to go with 5. I don't know what I did before, but I'm going to go with 5, and I know why I'm doing it. So we're going to go with 3 in a row and see if it's possible to win 3 in a row if you're not the one that starts. Having said that, I am always starting here. That's me. Maybe we shouldn't. Maybe we should. I started there the first time, Pam. I'm going to test and see what happens if I start somewhere else. So if I start, and then, okay, so blue's going to say, I'm going to stop you from going that way. Now red is going to say, well, I'm going to go this way. And now blue's going to say, well, I'm going to stop you from going this way. And for 3 in a row, red is now going to say, I've got you. I've won. So you can take it in turns to start and see if you can work out why you always win. What it is that's happening that means that if one person always wins, if you take it in turns, play with it and see if you can figure it out. And then really, I think you can go straight from this one to 5 in a row. You can go 3 in a row on a big one. You can start with that. Does it make any difference? And then you can go to 4 in a row if you want. You can absolutely go for 4 in a row and then 5 in a row. And, well, the world's your oyster, really. You can play with it any way you like. So thank you very much for joining. I'm doing this live now, and then I'm going to replay it at 10, just so that you know. It's going to start from the very beginning at 10, because I've got an activity that I do every weekend. I play a game myself that's actually a game about finances, about investments. It's like a game, a virtual game about developing businesses and properties and things, so that I learn more about how to run my own business. So that's for the grown-ups. I'm saying that to the grown-ups, guys. This is so that I can do bubbly maths better. All right. Thank you. And I will see you. I'll see you virtually. I mean, a replay at 10. And I am going to be doing a live tonight, but not tomorrow morning. Not doing Sunday mornings anymore. I'm taking the morning off. But we probably will do a replay. We'll probably do a replay of this morning's games. Take care. Thank you. Bye.